Heyday's purpose-built lineup gives wakeboarders and wake surfers competition-grade wakes through innovative, affordable design. The WT-2 DC is no exception. It has an overall length of 22 feet 6 inches, offers an 11-person capacity and 1,800 pounds of integrated ballast, and as the DC name suggests, a dual console layout. It's all built on Heyday's signature hull that's engineered to create a clean, powerful wake, with a 117-degree transom angle at the back of the boat to generate surf-ready wakes without relying on tabs or gates. An 8-foot beam gives the WT-2 DC great running performance and a smooth ride. Another telltale Heyday design element is twin bow sponsons. They give the boat better overall stability at slower speeds and allow you to cross large wakes without taking on water, making retrieving your rider a lot easier. The WT-2 DC comes as a surf-ready package including trailer, hard tank ballast system, speed control, and sport tower. With a 5.7-liter Crusader 350 horsepower standard engine, plus Coastal Edition and Mercury options offering 320 to 370 horsepower also available. Now let's check out the interior. This boat has plenty of space and features to keep your entire crew comfy, whether surfing or just hanging out. In the bow, you'll find comfortable seating with flip-down armrests. The WT-2 DC also has loads of storage, located under every bow seat, including this wide mouth area that's great for day bags, towels, and personal items, with additional storage behind both backrests. Standard features in the bow include 2 speakers and 3 integrated cup holders, plus grab handles and LED navigation lights for safety and blue LED courtesy lighting for fun. The entire boat is finished with non-skid flooring for better traction and shock absorption underfoot, plus added protection from scratches and dents. The WT-2 DC features a wraparound windshield with lockable center panel for added protection from the elements. The cockpit's dual console layout creates additional comfort and storage, like this passenger-side lockable glove box and a locker below. Great for tossing shoes out of the way. There's also a huge in-floor locker for storing boards and more. The wraparound seating in the cockpit helps maximize passenger space and storage. The Helm features a custom steering wheel and digital gauges. This Rockford Fosgate sound system connects to your 4 speakers through the cockpit and bow, with additional upgrades available. Control your 1,800 pounds of ballast with 2 simple toggle switches to create your desired wake. Standard and optional speed control systems keep your speed dialed in while pulling your rider or maintaining a surf pocket. Optional touchscreen display upgrades offer engine data as well as additional rider profiles. A padded armrest at the throttle and bolstered helm seat with slider keep the captain comfortable as well. On the side of the Helm console, a convenient phone storage area with 12-volt USB and auxiliary ports keeps everyone charged up and connected. The folding sport tower can be outfitted with optional board racks or additional tower speakers. The WT-2 DC also features a non-skid walkthrough from the cockpit to the swim platform. An integrated transom step creates a nice spot to prep for the next ride. The walkthrough divides Heyday's hot tub seats, which are great for facing forward while cruising or facing the action behind the boat. They get passengers close enough to communicate with the rider while complying with Coast Guard regulations. The seats also raise for even more storage, with easy access to dry gear from the cockpit and wet gear from the swim platform. You'll also find a standard tow ring and a removable swim platform, positioned at water level for easy entry and exit without interfering with the wake. The whole package is covered by Heyday's comprehensive warranty, which includes a limited lifetime structural warranty on the hull and deck, limited 2-year components and systems warranty, and limited 2-year upholstery warranty, so you can enjoy added peace of mind while enjoying your boat. Visit HeydayWakeboats.com to locate a dealer near you for pricing, specifications, and availability.